If you are a bread lover but have a sensitive digestive system or can't tolerate the grains or gluten, this is for you. Simple, super tasty, you'll love it. First, we're going to start by soaking 1 3/4 cup of raw macadamia nuts for 30 minutes, then preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Drain, then add to your blender along with 1/2 cup of water, 4 drops of black pepper essential oil, excellent for digestion, 5 eggs, 1/2 cup of olive oil. Then we're going to blend until smooth and go to our mixing bowl. Here we add 1/2 cup of protein powder, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 3 tablespoons psyllium husk powder, and 2 tablespoons pumpkin seed, 1 tablespoon chia seed, 1 tablespoon hemp seed, a tablespoon baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to whisk this all together well, and then we're going to add our liquid mixture and stir it together. Now it's going to become really thick, as you will see here. Scoop it into a parchment-lined loaf pan and just pat it in on the top. And after you've done that, we're going to just sprinkle it with a few seeds. Now that is totally optional, but I do love topping it with sesame and chia seeds. And then we're going to bake it for 45 minutes or longer. Now look at this beautiful loaf. You're going to love this good for your gut loaf of bread. It's tasty and has a great texture, not crumbly at all. When you start with good foods that feed your gut, you're also feeding your brain and your whole entire body. And if improving your gut health is important to you, then please go to the comments and take that free online assessment to find the culprits and solutions. Please ask your questions in the comments, then like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.